show. So let's talk about, we were talking about the emotional side and why you should hire a professional and somebody who's got a lot of experience and a lot of confidence to guide you in the right direction. It's imperative to your success, especially when in the negotiation process and in accomplishing your goals. So, Mr. Michael, you like helping out with that, don't you?
I do. That's part of the satisfaction of helping somebody as you guide them through this process. And I always tell them, I said, given the size and the scope of this transaction,
it's only the largest probably purchase or asset in their life.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. And debt.
Yes, exactly. And I mean, it's a huge thing, and the process is tedious, and it's, come on, what else do I have to do? I mean, you do all that stuff.
You just sign a piece of paper and it's done, right?
Oh yeah, that's all.
Stuff doesn't come up with an appraisal.
Never.
Or an inspection.
Or
title report.
Yeah, or if they use the wrong lender, not Cherry Creek Mortgage.
Exactly. But I mean, I tell them right up front. I said, it's a highly emotional transaction. I mean, and I'm the one. I tell them. I said, I'm going to tell you everything you want to hear and everything you don't want to hear. And there's going to be times where we're going to, there could be, emotions run high, a little argumentative, because things happen. Things happen all the time. But at the same time, I want to empower them. I want them to know exactly what they're signing as we're going through, what each thing means. If you have a question, I'll answer it in depth so that you're not just signing a paper saying, well, I'm supposed to sign this paper. Know what you're signing, especially these days. And so I feed them information, and I want them to be engaged in the process so that they know, okay, now this is what we have left to do, or this is what could happen.
Well, here's something I've noticed, and you're really good at this, Michael, because I've seen the way you work, and I know how we pursue it here at Cherry Creek Mortgage is a lot of you out there don't know what questions to even ask, or what things to watch out for, or the potential pitfalls, or the potential opportunities. And a true professional's got a lot of experience, meaning not working with one transaction, you work with multiple transactions through the years. We work with multiple transactions every month. Therefore, we kind of have a head start above you on what to watch out for, what to look for, and how to handle that. So therefore, that takes out the motion, doesn't it?
Well, it does, because I can foresee what's coming.
Exactly.
And so as we're going through this, and especially last year, well, what if I don't get the house? Well, you may not get the house, so be prepared to not get the house. Nowadays, it's, well, I don't want to, am I offering too low? And it really comes down to, what do you feel comfortable offering? This is what the neighborhood is at. These are what the comps say. This is, I share all my tools with you. This is what we have. Tell me what you're comfortable offering in the house, or what you're comfortable listing the house, because it's all about, obviously their motivation to sell. Where do you want to start? What's your motivation?
Yeah, in fact, let me jump in on that, because I think that's one of the most important parts. I can't tell you how many people I've seen lose out on homes for $2,000 or $3,000
all the time.
And I have conversations with them regularly, and I say, listen, if this is the right home for you and your family, this $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 that you're arguing about for fixing the patio cover is absolutely going to be 100% irrelevant. So if you're really fixated on the fact that the patio cover is the problem, it's probably not the right house for you.
That's true too. I mean, and I've seen situations where they've lost a house for $900. That happened to my sister.
At a principal, right?
Yeah. Were you there? It's exactly what was said.
We live it all the time. Trust me. Like we tell a client, hey, we can save you $100 a month if you pay off this collection. I'm not going to pay Verizon, or I'm not going to pay Time Warner. And I get it. But over principle, it could affect the rest of their lives. And sometimes you have to help. We have to help our clients. We have to help you, kind of get out of your own way so we can help accomplish your goals in the long run, right?
Exactly. And I mean, especially what you do. Sometimes you ask for information and people say, we have to do that too? I mean, they don't understand all the things.
Yeah, we make up this stuff that you have to bring in just for fun. We like paperwork.
You want some? I earned my paycheck. Look, I want this now from you.
No, I actually start pretty early in the process telling all of my borrowers, any prospect that we talk to, I said, I promise you, I will never ask you for a piece of paper that I don't absolutely need. I know there's other companies, other loan officers just ask for a bunch of stuff they don't need. We will never ask for anything we don't need, because I don't want to see anything I don't need to see. Because the more I see, the more problems, right? It's like an onion. The more layers, the more difficult it gets. So I only want to see what's absolutely required.
Exactly.
Good stuff. And if you just tuned in, we're here with Michael Waxman with Intero Real Estate Service, true professional in the business that you need to talk to. How can they get a hold of you, Michael?
They can call me directly on my cell, area code 661-373-5282.
Say it one more time.
661-373-5282.
And tell them about your awesome websites, because there's very few websites and Facebook pages like yours, buddy.
Well, thank you. On Facebook, I can be found at Amazing Valencia Homes. And my website, I can be found at amazingvalenciahomes.com.
Yeah,
There
join
you
his
go.
Facebook page along with the other 12,000 people that check out his website, because you put up some fun. I mean, I love the homes you throw up there. You're like, check this out. Wouldn't you like to live here? These two staircases would you like?
I don't
and
know,
it's
but there's
about-
definitely been some outdoor patios that I've definitely had home envy for.
Well, and it's about design ideas and, different
Right, I
little
like it.
decorating ideas. Yeah, it's cool. It's fun.
Okay, we only got 3 more minutes here, so I want to talk about something that's very important right now. It's important to you out here, so please pay attention to this, because if you are thinking about selling your home, and you should, if you're thinking about moving up, now's the time before interest rates go up or prices go back up anymore, is how to keep your listing competitive. It is imperative that you work with a true professional that understands that and understands your area. Because how about I love the sellers go, well, Zillow says it's worth this.
Zillow. We'll leave Zillow out of this one.
Well, just because, just so you know out there, it's basically, they just take the average of all sell prices of all homes around you, and they don't actually look at your particular home versus your particular neighborhood versus your particular upgrade. That's where Michael comes in, right?
Yes, and it's interesting because a lot of sellers feel, well, I don't want to pay a certain amount of commission. Okay, fine. Well, they don't realize that when they try to pay the buyer's side a lower commission, chances are that house will not be shown, or it'll be shown by less people. What I'm seeing now is that I'm seeing where agents are incenting other agents, please come show my home. We'll get a bonus if you do this. You're seeing commission rates actually rise because it's such a competitive arena right now for the for buyers.
Right.
So I'm seeing more of that. I'm seeing you'd think location is, which is typical, you hear all the time.
Right.
But a lot of people are still, well, I don't want to pay that. I'll go out of the area. They don't realize the value. So it's really about, you have to demonstrate the value that's out there, and you have to paint it on their forehead so that they get it, because some people don't get it.
Right. Okay, so the good news is we have Michael Waxman with Intero Real Estate Services that can help you with quite a few things. He's excellent at pre-qualifying buyers and sellers ahead of time to prepare them correctly. I love how you know how to keep a listing competitive. You know how to price it correctly.
Yes.
And you help a lot of you out there. He'll help you with taking the emotion out of the process to make it actually a great process, because you'll be in the know. And like Michael said, he's not shy to tell you what you need to know and what you don't want to know and what you could know and all that to actually make an educated decision. So make sure you reach out to Michael again. How can they reach you?
661-373-5282.
Very cool.